Good evening. Today I'm gonna present about network communication solution for one retail business. For introduction, I'm going to go through project requirements and operate solution for an IT system, and also with support of diagram of network topology. And in addition, all the important elements should be installed in the network. The last one we're going to analysis and evaluation of the system. For project backgrounds, talking about the enterprise, the names of newstar.com is going to build 2 new IT stores, so they need a new network system, a new computer network system. One store is located in Preston, one will be in Prague, and their main office will locate in the same location at the Preston. At store 1, newstar.com enterprise will hire 20 employees in total, and they are going to seeking for a proper IT network for the retail system. For the whole presentation, there is some common words will be repeated, so we'll get it in the form of abbreviation. For example, like newstar.com enterprise, virtual private network, wide area network, etc. For the general requirements for the network, we need a appropriate network solution design with modern software and hardware which are resilient, scalable, secure for long-term solution system. There should be a server farm to maintain a common service or maintain activities in an enterprise like communication, email, document, phone, website. Super essential to have a high-speed to internet connection. Last but not least, budget and financial management to be considered. The first thing right here is the first solution. The overall solution also here is wide area network topology. Also all the important devices and how they communicate with each other, how different branches communicate, and how they connect to the internet and to external organization like bank or government. There is also very important connection. They're using virtual private network to connect between store 1 and store 2, which is a far distant network, far distant connection between Preston and France. They're also using virtual private networks to connect to manage payment transaction to the bank. In the main office, they have computer servers, all the kind of IT room to contain the servers like email server, point of sale server, application document server. Point of sales is kind of system to manage all the point of sale terminals in each store. Point of sale terminals is kind of electrical device communication of cash register, barcode reader, or print and printer with the purpose of record sale, process credit card, and update inventory. In the main office, there is some private computer, personal computer PC, and wireless access point to the one who want to using per laptop. who want to using laptop or their own mobile devices. And also through other branches, they are also want to using telephone to communicate with each other. So you also using a support of public switches, telephone network. They also have server here between main office to the store one located in Preston. They communicate by a call switches, but and X branches in the office they will have distribution switches right here. For each store, the designing of the network could be similar for main office, but they have each store will have point of sale terminals. Moving down to the physical topology diagram here, we saw all the important elements going to have in a network. Like there is virtual private networks right here for between internet to the whole system or between to store 1 and store 2. Virtual private network enables user to send and receive data to across private network may benefit from functionality, security, management of private network. And these main activities is happening in the network is encryption of data. They also have routers. Routers here right here is a kind of communication device called to connect multiple computers or other routers together to transmit data to its correct destination. Computer server or can call is a VMware, so be used for multiple server function of single server hardware. Firewall right here. Firewall is a kind of system designed to prevent unauthorized access or from private network to protect network traffics and connection, to protect the whole enterprise from outside threat. Wireless access points allow wireless device to connect to a wide network using Wi-Fi technology. Yeah, all access point will be connected to every single devices like computer, phone, and etc. For the cabling system, for the cabling architecture design right here will be so on particular store how they design, how they connect, how the cable system design is. So each store or in the main office they're gonna have a telephone communication closet. We also can call an IT room, and they have one office and one restroom for staff. And in the telecommunication closet, they will have patch panel with multiple port, and all the cable coming out will put in the right ports of patch panel, and they're going to underneath of the wall and to the terminal, for example, to point of sale terminals or phone in front in the reception. They also have some wall socket to protect on the cable. And there is one wireless access point in front will be for guests using or staff using. Inside the office, they're on computers, and also they have wide connection and phone as well, easy using phone there from inside the office and in front reception, also easy for them to communicate between in outside office to the front. They also easy to check the inventory stock and something like that. In the restroom, there is a wide network access points for staff using internet connection by Wi-Fi. Here's all the elements like router, modem, switches, wireless access point, firewall, cabling system is fully explained by previous slides. Conclusion: Newstar.com Enterprise requires a new retail network project, and to be suitable for their common service is happening, like configuration, file share, payment transaction management, and the systems to be able to maintain a long-term and secure ways. There is one far distant connection between Preston and France via virtual private networks is very important to connect between two branches or to other organization, or elements to be have like routers, firewall, wireless access point, and the cable link system, and also to be well designed to connect, and all the cable or the connect access points to be applied in the right racks suitable for the architectural design of every single store for of overall wide area network of Newstar.com Enterprise. Reference list. The last slide, reference list, all the topology diagram network is using support from software Lucidchart, and also using some textbook article. Thank you very much for listening.